Hello and welcome to I-Techie. We've got an action-packed program for you today, starting with your phone. If you don't think it's big enough or smart enough, we've got something that just may be in store for you. Plus, is city traffic noise getting you down, driving you absolutely crazy? If it is, we may just have a solution. All that and more coming up right now on I-Techie. In this day and age, almost everyone's used a pair of head or earphones for one reason or another. Headphones have always served the purpose of two basic needs: privacy and focus. With the advent of the Walkman and other portable music players, mobility also became an added factor. The concept of headphones has, of course, developed well beyond and above those rudimentary prerequisites. Today, we look at a reputable, high-end manufacturer's latest offering. It's the QC15, and it is one of the newest set of headphones from Bose with their patented noise-canceling technology. Mysteriously, although this is Bose's fourth pair of noise-canceling headphones, the name has jumped from QC4 to QC15. Is the jump in features and technology really that exponential? Well, although the design is the same, Bose proudly claims that these have the best noise-canceling technology in any set of headphones to date.
It's a perfect meditation for us stressed out urbanites.
शोर शाम में ज़्यादा होता है, वो थोड़ी सी जब आवाम बढ़ती है तब थोड़ा सा शोर होता है। हम लोग जो है अकाउंटिंग करते हैं या दिन में बैठकर शाम तक काफ़ी शोर कम हो रहा है। जनरेटर का कट हो रहा है, बाकी आपकी आवाज़ क्लियर आ रही है।
तो इसमें आवाज़ जो है बिल्कुल शोर जो है वो नहीं हो रहा है कि बिल्कुल कम आवाज़ जो है वो आ रही है।
नहीं, अभी थोड़ा बेटर फील हो रहा है। नॉर्मली लग रहा है मेरे को, जैसे हेडफोन जैसे यूज़ करते हैं वही चीज़ थोड़ा सा बेटर लग रहा है।
होता है शोर तो होता है, लेकिन आजकल वैसे काफ़ी खामोशी है। आवाज़ नहीं आ रही मुझे बिल्कुल भी। आ रही है लेकिन बहुत स्लो आ रही है।
There is no noise. I mean, yeah, it's comfortable. It feels.
तो कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा मुझे, आपकी आवाज़ ही नहीं आ रही। It's quite good.
बिल्कुल वही है नखमी। Yeah, of course. It's not bad.
Silence.
Also conveniently fitted into the case is an airline jack and a detachable audio cable. One drawback is that, unlike earlier models, there's no rechargeable battery. The one AAA battery is set to last an average of 35 hours though, and that's not too bad. And luckily, there's also place for a backup AAA cell in the carrying case, so it's very convenient. Now, for those of you who are serious about sound, or rather, blocking out the bad stuff, so far, critics have been satisfied with Bose's claims of ultimate noise cancellation.
You feel like you are in some mountains. There's nobody around you. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's very clear. एक सुकून सा हो गया, बिल्कुल यानी कि कोई शोर नहीं, कोई शराबा नहीं, बिल्कुल एक अजीब सा महसूस हो रहा है।
अभी इसमें जो है थोड़ा बहुत जो शोर का वो था एक बिल्कुल ही ख़त्म हो गया। बिल्कुल ऐसे जैसे आदमी पुरसकून बैठा होता है ना।
अब क्लियर है। आप लोगों की आवाज़ आ रही है, इसके अलावा कोई आवाज़ नहीं आ रही। थोड़ा सुन सा हो रहा है बिल्कुल, लेकिन अच्छा लग रहा है।
नहीं आ रहा है शोर की आवाज़, बिल्कुल नहीं। आपकी आवाज़ क्लियर है, इनकी क्लियर है, बाकी शोर नहीं आ रहा है।
It's like nothing. So quiet. I can't hear you actually. It's a weird feeling actually.
I think it's very nice. Very quiet.
Their previous models were eventually outdone by rivals like Sennheiser, but this time they've gone the extra mile, adding an extra microphone so that there's now one on the inside and outside of each ear cup. And using more advanced materials in the padded seal around the ear has proven very effective. The result is that a wider range of frequencies is now blocked out. The headphones work better on a train, in an airplane, and in a loud room, which means that they're great for concentrating on work in busy office environments, cutting out the hum of airplane engines, and just generally relaxing.
यही एक चीज़ है, सुकून की तलाश में होता है। सुबह उठो तो आपको टीवी में एक ही न्यूज़ मिलती है, फलानी जगह धमाका हो गया, वो हो गया।
लाइफ में जो पूरा दिन में 15 घंटे तो वर्किंग करते हैं समझ लें, यानी कि जो वर्किंग डे हमारा, तो उसमें यानी कि एक अच्छी चीज़ है सुकून, अगर आधे एक घंटे बंदा यूज़ करे उसको अच्छी चीज़ है।
Nobody would like to move around with this big headphone. I mean, you just feel like you're just flying an aeroplane, you know. The product is very good, but should be very compact, very small.
If I have, I will use.
Although they're not the ultimate in music listening, they do manage to significantly cut out the hiss that comes with other noise-canceling headphones. Of course, the cost of using innovative technology is always rather high, and these are no exception. Coming in at 35,000 rupees, they are not cheap. But with Bose's signature comfort, they're a worthy investment for those who only want to listen to the good stuff.